Thank you for choosing Blade for your restoration business. In this video, we'll explore the Job Parameters panel. Let's get to it. The Job Parameters panel provides a comprehensive summary of a job's current status, its billing information, key dates, and job site data. The trade is not merely informational data. This selection determines which service items are searchable and selectable on the invoice or when recording work performed at the job site. For example, if the trade is hazardous material remediation, only those service items applicable to that trade will be searchable and selectable when users record work performed or add line items to the invoice. Learn more about service items and making a trade assignment for your custom service items in the Support Center. Change the job name as needed. Use the job names provided by Blade or create your own job names on the General Inputs tab in Account Settings. Use the Status drop-down to change the job status as the job moves through the job lifecycle. Blade will occasionally prompt you to change the job status as the job progresses. Learn more about job status queues by clicking this information icon. Job status queues define general steps in the job lifecycle. These job status queues are descriptive labels that give all users immediate information about the status of the job. Assign job oversight to a user with the Assign To selector. Remember the old adage, if everyone is in charge, then no one is in charge. Blade allows you to clearly designate an owner at every point in the job lifecycle. The progress note is a free-form text field. There are other places to add detailed notes and contact details. The progress note is not a place to enter general notes. The progress note should be a short summary of the job. This progress note is printed on detailed billing reports, so the note should be short and provide a summary of progress. Similar to the trade and job name, the Bill To information is set when the project or job is added to Blade. Change this data at any time. If payment for the work you performed at the job site will involve an insurance claim, select Insurance. Select from a list of insurance carriers you have already added to Blade. The Adjuster drop-down will display a list of adjusters you have already added to Blade for the selected carrier. Click the small blue button to directly edit the selected carrier's information in Blade. If the client will pay out of pocket, select Client. If the payment will be made by a vendor, or this job was done for free as a favor to a preferred vendor, select Vendor. Again, select from a list of vendors already added to Blade. Key dates are self-explanatory. Blade uses either the work start date or the work completion date as the start trigger to calculate the allowable amount of time to record a lien if needed. Set all lien triggers on the Company tab within Account Settings. The Job Site section records important job site parameters. Click the blue-colored work truck button to get drive time between your company's physical location and the job site. The type of loss is informational data for Blade, but becomes required data if Blade creates a project in Xactimate. Add additional loss types if needed on the General Inputs tab in Account Settings. The category of water and waste handling selections profoundly affect which line items are searchable and selectable when users record work performed at the job site or when they add line items to an invoice. Like the trade, these settings help ensure speed and eliminate costly errors. For example, if Cat 3 water is selected on this page, only those service items applicable to Cat 3 loss will be searchable and selectable. If the waste handling method is set to bag and haul away, only those service items marked with that waste handling type will be searchable and selectable. For example, you might have a service item for tearing out vinyl sheet flooring where the waste hauling method is set to bag and haul away. You might have another service item for tearing out vinyl sheet flooring where the waste handling method is set to discard at the job site. Set the correct waste hauling method, category of water, trade, and visit date. Blade makes sure users only see and select correct service items. This works the same way with your custom service list and with Xactimate. In short, there is no reason to make your users search through 49,000 line items when most of those lines are not applicable to the loss. By pre-filtering the searchable and selectable line items, Blade facilitates speed and ease of use and eliminates duplicate data entry, so work log at the job site can instantly become an accurate invoice. Technicians see a limited list of easy-to-understand line items when recording work performed. The entries they make instantly become the invoice. As always, updates made on your screen are seen in real time by other users who are viewing the same screen on their own PC. And changes to job parameter data are logged and timestamped for audit purposes. Alright, that's a good overview of the job parameters panel. Explore other training modules in the support center to get the most for Blade, the software that helps you maximize profit and quickly turn your hard work into cash.